Writing test instructions. This writing test includes two separate tasks. You will have 27 minutes for Task 1 and 26 minutes for Task 2. Try to complete each task to the best of your ability within the time limits. This email shows how to clearly request help when losing an important item like a student ID card. Feel free to pause the video if you need more time to read carefully. The answer fully covers the required points. It gives clear personal details, explains exactly how and when the ID card was lost, and politely requests instructions on getting a replacement. The email starts with an appropriate formal greeting, "Dear Student Services," showing respect. The purpose is clearly stated in the first sentence, making it easy to understand right away. The writer organizes the email into short, logical paragraphs, each focused on one specific point. The tone remains polite and formal throughout. Suitable for communicating with a campus office. Helpful linking words such as because, and but. Improve readability and smoothly connect ideas. Notice two stretch words. Replacement, meaning something new to replace the old one, and necessary, meaning required. These words add clarity and accuracy to the message and are easy enough for a beginner to use with practice. Now let's see why this answer scores well. Remember, you can pause the video anytime if you need to read more slowly. The writer clearly states their choice in the opening sentence, "I prefer option A, increasing the frequency of buses." They also provide two clear reasons why they prefer this option. The first reason explained is that increasing bus frequency will benefit daily commuters. The writer includes practical examples, such as helping workers and students avoid crowded buses, clearly showing the impact on everyday life. Secondly, the writer connects increased bus frequency to environmental benefits. They explain how fewer cars on the road would reduce air pollution and traffic jams. This broader view demonstrates thoughtful consideration beyond personal convenience. The email is well organized, starting with an introduction that directly states the preference. It then has two separate paragraphs, each clearly supporting one reason. A simple conclusion effectively summarizes the writer's main points. Useful linking words such as firstly, also, and however clearly guide readers through different ideas. Notice the stretch words reliable and environment, both helping to express ideas clearly and precisely at a slightly higher vocabulary level. Now let's discuss why this answer is effective. If you need more time, feel free to pause the video and read carefully. This response clearly starts by stating the chosen option. I prefer option B, extending subway hours at night. The writer then provides two clear reasons supporting their preference. Firstly, the writer effectively explains how extending subway hours would help night shift workers. They use specific examples, such as people working in hospitals, restaurants, and stores, clearly showing who benefits from the change. Secondly, the writer points out that longer subway hours can boost local businesses. They provide practical examples, like restaurants and cinemas, explaining that businesses could stay open later and increase their profits. The writer also mentions that this would make the city more appealing to visitors, showing broader community benefits. The organization of the email is clear and logical. It opens by stating the preference directly, followed by two paragraphs, each explaining a separate reason. The conclusion neatly summarizes the main points, reinforcing why the choice is beneficial. The email maintains a suitable semi-formal style, appropriate for responding to a survey. Useful linking words such as firstly, also, and but clearly connect ideas. Notice the stretch vocabulary items affordable and attractive, which help express clear ideas at a slightly higher level.